sickest burnout we've ever done, period. Like, straight up burning rubber. Like, that's like burnt looking, I don't know. All this rubber, I mean, rubber's everywhere. Look at that. It was so smoky in here. You'll see the clip. We had to put the fan on, and I had to celebrate. I'm so excited, dude. The line lock worked like a dream. It didn't work the first time I put it in. The brakes didn't work the first time. I mean, dude, that was awesome. What was I doing? Here we go. For the front. Can't even get the fist in there. And the tires are probably a little low on air pressure. So, but anyway, in the back is what we're looking at. I can fit it in, but you know, not as much. I don't think that's not a very accurate measurement. But so we're gonna call that just above 27 3/4, and then we'll go to the front. Okay, yeah, 27 1/8 of an inch there, I'd say. Yeah, that's what 2/16 is. Anyway, so let's call this 27 1/8 for the front, and we call this one 27 3/4 in the back. Okay. All right, I found it. A little swivel guy with the 3/4 on there. Well, let's see if this works. That's probably the wrong thing to do, but see a little bit of an angle on, nothing crazy. Put these on. I didn't do nothing. Oh wait. This ain't working at all. Oh, I lied. I lied, dude. Check that out. Dude. Whoa. Brother. Would you look at that? That works so good. You even put safety glasses on. Okay, gotta get the tool off first. Dude, okay. Look at that. So this was there. It's on the other side. And then that. That should just slide out. Greasable polyurethane bushings. Take my handy dandy sharpest knife I ever bought. Okay. Holds all of our launchers for us. We're already going to use that. Might as well get this out of our way. Put that over there. Alright, that comes out by hand. That goes with that. Look at that. We're going to take this out. Not use it anymore. Okay. Not use it anymore, but it's there. Then we got this to hold that to put it back on. But dare I say, this side is ready to rock and ready to roll. I mean, shoot, we want to get. Let's go like this. Okay, so it goes on the outside of both. Wow. Check that out. Check that out, dude. That's sick. And just pull that shock down or jack this up to get that back in there. Don't know. there?
I didn't think there was.
Bro, look. Well, that's what the fucking internet tells you. If you look at the anything, look. That's how you do it safely. Fuck the spring compressor for a 3rd gen F body. You're fucked if you're trying to use a spring compressor. Ratchet strap, not even under tension. It's just holding the weight of the air. Look at that. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so we didn't record the wiggling and jiggling, but it's really it. It's a lot easier to get the spring in, but just gotta make sure that you're centered on the perch in here. That's the only reason why we had like a little bit of a struggle, but did that, push this down and this will sit right up in there, and then you can just lift it up, pull the jack. Definitely easy with 2 people. But yeah, so now we're just gonna jack it up, put this back through, put that nut on, move on to the other side, because I've got to get new sway bar links anyway. Maybe we'll put the ball joint in too, but you know, NBD. So we're just gonna zap it right up there. Just fucking slam the bird. Oh,
What do we do?
fucking slam the bird. You don't have to point at me. He's fucking 3D, man.
You're 3D.
3D's it. All right, man.
Well, she's done. Got that side wrapped up. Probably about 12-15 minutes later, we had this one done. That one went so much better.
You know, it's like we know what we're doing.
Oh, it's like after the first one, after a couple of those, you really know what you're doing.
We did.
Let's get a little pressure on her here.
Yeah, jump around. We're driving it, dude.
I think she's good there.
Pretty so. It definitely is lower, dude. I've been walking up.
3 fingers is tight. It's 2.5.
Is it really? Yo, is it really?
Oh, it's 2.5.
That's a
crooked as fuck.
Huh? Okay, straighten me out. Still exact.
27.
Damn near 27 exact. Look at this. Dumbass. Look at that. 27 and an eighth. 27 and an eighth. That don't get no better than that. New shocks in the back, old shocks in the front. Those are next. Thanks for watching. Dude, go out tall. If you're in the Northeast Ohio, where they get their HVAC done.
Boys at Temp Tech Heating and Cooling.
Let's go. All right. See you in the next one. Where's the button?